Guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's video I'm gonna walk you through how to download Candy Crush Solitaire on your device. So if you are an Android user, you can simply visit to your Play Store and download it very easily, or if you are an iOS user, you can simply go to your App Store. After clicking on the App Store, this is the very first homepage of the App Store, and you can also see the various options below it. So from all the above, you need to choose the option search, which is at the very bottom right. After clicking on the search, you need to type the app in which you are in needed. So I'm in need of Candy Crush Solitaire. So after clicking the Candy Crush Solitaire, you can see the various options over here, and we need to select this second option, Candy Crush Solitaire. Or if you are an Android user, you can simply click on the option install, or if you are an iOS user, you can simply click on the option get, which is highlighted in color blue at the very right of the page. After clicking on the option get, you just need to verify yourself. Your Candy Crush Solitaire will be downloaded very soon on your device. This is how you can download Candy Crush Solitaire on your device. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.